Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office and I'm very excited because I have a planner subscription box from Jane's Agenda to share with you today. So welcome to my office. So this is the May box, which, if I understand correctly, has June items in it. And I purchased this as a little birthday gift to myself since I have a June birthday. So I have not opened it. We're gonna see what's inside together. And I will have everything linked below so you can find out more information. Jane's Agenda is a new company to me, so I have just seen a few people talking about the products, and I thought, well, I'm curious enough that I think I want to try the subscription box. Okay, lots of goodies here. So looks like we have a little card that says Collect Beautiful Moments. And I just checked, and on the back it shows us what's in the box as well as a discount code. So I won't share that side of the card with you. And then there is a little card there as well. So these are the three little quote cards and calendar card that came in the box. And let me take everything out of the box and we'll go through it together. So first we have two little quote cards, Closed for Spiritual Maintenance and Collect Beautiful Moments, and then a June calendar card. And I do like this card that says, you may not find Wi-Fi in nature, but you will find a stronger connection. Very cool. So these are some lined sticky notes, and they're in that pretty craft paper. So those are fun. We have a cute robin's egg blue luggage tag. And even though I don't travel very often, I think this is really pretty, such a pretty shade of blue. And I'm excited to have this just to be able to mark either my regular bags or if by chance I'm traveling, then of course luggage as well. This is a Pentel Energel pen in brown. So let's just check that out. Cool, that is fun to have a brown pen. I don't think I have too many pens in a brown color, so that's pretty cool. Next we have these cute little arrow paper clips, so there are two of those in there. Those are always fun to have. And this is, I think, a dashboard. It looks like there's a vellum. The back says 12 ways to digital detox, which is cool. So let's take a look at this. So we have this really pretty vellum with the gold dots and kind of a speckled pattern, and that is over Disconnect to Reconnect, this fun little dashboard with that beautiful image. It makes me want to just go outside and take a walk. And then on the back, the 12 ways to digital detox. So pretty cool and a fun reminder for my birthday month. And I love this little glittery vellum dashboard. That's really pretty. Next, this is a laminated vellum dashboard with the USA time zones. So this is another kind of fun one. So this is a laminated vellum, so that's pretty sturdy. And normally the time zones aren't something that I'm too concerned with. However, I just got a new coach with Jordan Essentials, and she is in Washington State and I'm in the Midwest. And so it's actually gonna be kind of handy to have this around just to remind me if we're trying to set up a call, what's her time, what's my time, and a quick, easy reference. So I'm actually happy to have this because this will be fun to use too. Then we have some planner inserts. So these are a dot grid with a space at the top for the date, and it's on both sides. So this is a nice bright white paper, and the dot grid is pretty light, so I think those will be fun to use just as another option for some notes paper. I love writing on dot grid, so I'm happy to have that to add to my collection of paper inserts. Okay, and here we have a packing list, and there is a quote from J.R.R. Tolkien, "Around the corner there may wait a new road or a secret gate." So we have this nice quote card, and on the back it says, "Forget me not, a love letter for packing for a trip." So that's pretty cool. It tells us how to fill out the packing list and little notes about how to use everything. So that's pretty fun. And then finally we have a duo with the less scrolling, more living, non-laminated vellum and the abstract mountains behind it. So that pretty vellum has the abstract line work of the mountains, and then this beautiful page here, which is a cardstock. So those will be really nice to use in my planner as well. So this has me excited to just start freshening up my Happy Planner collection of daily notes pages and make it a little more specific to me for the summer and for June and for my birthday month. So that is what came in the May Jane's Agenda Lifestyle and Planner subscription box with all kinds of goodies for June. As I mentioned, I'll link everything down below, and I'm really excited to start putting some of these things together in my Happy Planner. So I'm going to be jumping into that shortly. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Let me know down below where you're watching from, and if you have tried some of the Jane's Agenda products and what your favorites are. I've been eyeing some covers, and I wanted to start out with a subscription box and then see if I might want to pull the trigger and get a few more goodies. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below if you enjoy these kinds of videos, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.